Okay, you guys, it's Marley. How are you? So it's almost that dreaded time of year, Valentine's Day, and I don't know about you, but I've spent many, despite the husbands and boyfriends, etc., of my life, I've spent many that were not so perfect. And lately, I've just been thinking, oh my gosh, like my girlfriends, everybody getting ready for Valentine's Day, and I'm sure it'll be challenging. But most importantly, I've been talking to all my girlfriends about these dating stories lately, and they are too good to be true, really. And let's face it, we all want the men in our lives to succeed, but there's certain things they need to know about dating a woman over 40. Yes, I'm over 40, and I've had a lot of Botox. But, so what I want you to do is, would you please click on the link below? I created this Google Drive doc, and my goal is to come up with 101 of these tips to dating a chick over 40, so that these clowns, I mean men, can succeed and be very happy with the prizes they've got. So I put all the directions in there, but click on it. Would you please share with your friends, because I want to get to 101 so I can release this guide, let's say like February 1st. And then everybody will have it, and it's going to be complete with go-to things of what to get the chick, even when she says she doesn't like Valentine's Day, because by the way, that's a lie. Okay, I'm going to go drink my protein shake now so you can find me a man. Bye.